arrive in style with this 2014 Toyota Prius C2. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 5JX15 steel disc wheels, fabric seat trim, first aid kit, tonneau cover and tri-trim, 6 speakers, air conditioning, electronic stability control, front bucket seats, front center armrest and spoiler. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.